seeing Jessica Meir make not her first steps, but her first float out of the hatch there.
Hello, United States.
Congratulations, Christina and Jessica, on this historic event. What you do is really something very special. So first the moon, and then we go to Mars.
For us, it's just coming out here and doing our job today. We were the crew that was tasked with this assignment. At the same time, we recognize that it is a historic achievement, and we do, of course, want to give credit to all of those that came before us. There's been a long line of female scientists, explorers, engineers, and astronauts, and we have followed in their footsteps to get us where we are today.
Go women!
And it just so happens that we have the right people doing the right job at the right time. And in fact, this is historic because those two right people are women.
It's been 100 years that we've had the right to vote this year. So this year, while we celebrate that, we also check another box, women doing spacewalk. And the next one, the big one, is for us to walk on the moon.
This is a milestone. It symbolizes exploration by all that dare to dream and work hard to achieve that dream. We hope an inspiration to all future explorers.